Hello, here we are with the final result of my Bristol M.1C kit build. It's 172 scale, so here's a cocktail stick or toothpick to show the scale. Regular size toothpick. It's just over one toothpick long. Anyway, I managed to get the bracing wires fitted on the top there and the dots centralized. I got a fixed propeller because I don't mean fixed as in doesn't angle variation thing, as in the aviation meaning of fixed propeller. I mean doesn't move on the model. Got all the decals on first, so it is all a bit of a challenge, but it fought me most of the way, if not all the way. I managed to get the elevator control cables on there as well. I painted them silver afterwards. Used some easy line, painted them silver. Put a bit of paper underneath so I didn't paint the other side silver as well. And painted little black dots where the stirrup points are, foot points are there. But I managed to get the decals on well and painted over any worn bits. There we are, that's the head-on look. There's the bracing arrangement, which my YouTube friend Algie has found out for me from the example, which is this example in Very Aircraft in Shutworth collection in Bedfordshire, Old Warden. Little addition to the kit. I don't know if you can see that there. I put a little bit of a rod and a bit of foil to there to pretend to be the little, what I call a dynamo or whatever it is, little propeller driven instrument dynamo thing, I think it is. Again, obviously you can, after all the effort, you can't really see inside, but that's the way of models, isn't it? The line isn't that strong, but I've got to be careful. A couple of times I've held it and pressed down the bracing wires, so called here, but it just deforms them and they come back again eventually if I run my finger, something underneath them to try and straighten them out again. This actually collapsed because I dropped this at one stage and put my knees together to stop it from going to the floor, and crushed everything this way or that way, just like that. And I thought that's it, I've rounded it at the end, but I managed to get it straightened out and put some glue on it, and I think it does the job. I'm more or less sitting straight now. But there we go, a very involved, intricate kit from Avis. I wouldn't want to do one of these again because I need something simple to build, so that's why I'm building a Fallen mat as flown by the Red Arrows, my next kit. So there we are. Thank you for all for watching and following the build if you have been, and speak to you all again soon, and welcome to all the new subscribers too. I'm not planning on having a models only channel, but for now this is what I make. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. 4 minutes are up. Ta-da.